Hi everyone, welcome for another video presentation. My name is Ice from Technic Force, and today we will have a quick look on the Twitter basics. So this video is useful to those who are new to Twitter to give them idea on how to navigate the platform. So now let's get started. First is to, of course, sign up or log in to your Twitter account. Just type in your name or the email associated with your Twitter account, and then of course your password, and then click on login. After logging in, it will take you directly to your Twitter homepage. Later on, we will be talking about the different tabs and settings you can use to manage your Twitter account. Now, on the upper left portion of the screen, you will see three different icons. We have home, notifications, and messages. Once you click on the home icon, it will direct you to this page here. It will direct you to your Twitter homepage. Now, when you click on notifications, it will direct you to a page where you can see all the previous posts of the people you are following. This is very useful for in case you missed something. You can just click on it and you'll be able to read that particular post. As for the mentions, it will show you all the previous tweets where you were mentioned at. Now on the right portion, you will have settings. Here you'll be able to actually select how you want your notifications to show on your timeline. So you can either mute notifications from people you don't follow, who don't follow you. So there's a lot of options that you can choose from here. All you have to do is to click on it and save changes. That way it will be able to filter what will be showing on your notifications tab. Now let's move on to the messages. Once you click on the messages, it will show you all of the previous conversations you've had. Now, to create new message or to send out new message, click on new message, and then here you can type in the name of the person or the name of the people you would like to get in contact with. So all you have to do is to type in their name, click on it. You can add as much as you want and create a group conversation with them. After that, click on next. And then here you can type in your personal message. You may also add a photo or video file, a GIF file, or add an emoji. On the upper right portion of the screen, we have three different icons. We have Search Twitter, tiny little picture of your profile, and the Tweet tab. Now for the Search Twitter, here you'll be able to search for the trending posts, trending topics or hashtags, or even search for a particular person within the Twitter community. Now when you click on the little profile picture here, it will give you different options. You have profile if you want to view your Twitter homepage, Twitter ads if you're a business owner and would like to advertise something, analytics to view more about your Twitter profile or Twitter account. So there are a lot of lists here that you can use to customize your Twitter account. Now for the Tweet tab, once you click on it, it will prompt another window where you can compose new tweet. All you have to do is to type in anything that you would like to post. You can even add a photo or video file, GIF file, or even start or create a post or a poll topic. We are now back at our Twitter homepage. Now on top you can see a tab there, and once you click on it, here you'll be able to compose new tweet. So basically it's the same as the Tweet tab located on the upper right portion. Now on the left side of the screen, we have your Twitter profile picture, your Twitter name. You can also see the number of the tweets you've made before, number of the people you are following, and your followers. And right below, you will see suggestions of the list of the people you might want to follow. Now, when you scroll down, it will give you the trends depending on the location. We are now showing Philippine trends and what are the trending topics in the Philippines. Now, when you click on the change tab here, it will prompt another window where you can actually set the particular location you would like to search. Let's say I'd like to search for the trending topics in Manila. All you have to do is to click on it and it will provide you the trending topics in Manila. That's about it for Twitter Basics. Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned something and see us again on our next video. Thank you. Bye.